Hello dear students. Yes, a very good afternoon to each and everyone. In today's class, we are going to see total super 20 questions of the signals and system for GATE 2026. So let us start with the very first question. Before starting first question, let me tell me guys, am I audible properly? Audio and video both are clear to people. First of all, confirm this. Signals and system. This is for ECE electrical instrumentation. Super 20 questions for GATE 2026. Audible? Yes, very good. Okay, so let us start with the very first question. See, find energy of the output signal y of t of an LTI system for the given input x of t, which is equal to e power minus 2t of t. Also find the ratio of energy of output signal to the energy of input signal. So how to solve this question? So first of all, you have to find the output y of t, then you can find the energy of output y of t, you can find the energy of input x of t. So y of t is given by convolution of x of t with h of t. Okay, so x of t given, impulse response, h of t also given. This is x of t is e to the power minus 2t into u of t, convolution with h of t is e power minus 3t into u of t. We know the convolution between two exponential function. So here e power minus at, that is e power minus 2t minus e to the power minus 3t divided by b minus a. Here a equal to 2, b equal to 3, so 3 minus 2 into u of t. So we are getting y of t is equal to, here this is e power minus 2t into u of t, e to the power minus 2t into u of t minus e to the power minus 3t into u of t, right? So this is the output. Now how to find the energy, guys? You can use the standard formula, but if you know the shortcut, then you can find the energy easily. So the energy of the output signal, EY, energy of the first signal 1 upon 2a, that is 1 by 4, plus energy of the second signal 1 upon 2b, that is 1 upon 2 into 3, 6. Here this is minus and minus. 2 times 2 upon a plus b, guys. 2 upon a plus b, a equal to 2, b equal to 3. So 2 plus 3. So just calculate this and tell me. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 minus 2 by 5, guys. So I think you will get 1 by 60. Just check once. 1 by 60, guys. You will get 15. Then you will get 10. 15 plus 10. Okay. 15 plus 10, 25. And here again, this is 5, guys. So 12. So just check once and tell me. Tell me this one. Energy of the output signal. Just calculate this. Now we can find the energy of the input signal. Input signal exponential function. So here energy is 1 upon 2a, guys. Exponential decreasing 1 by 4. Okay. So just calculate this. Are you getting 1 by 60 here? Tell me. Just tell me, are you getting 1 by 60? Just take the LCM and tell me the correct answer. You will get here 15, 10, 25, 0.1 by 60. Yes. You are getting 1 by 60 unit. 1 upon 60 unit. So this is energy of the input signal. Now they are asking the ratio of energy of output signal to the energy of input signal. So this is 1 upon 60. This is 1 by 4. You will get 1 by 15. It's a numerical answer type question. So tell me the final answer. 1 upon 15, guys. Just tell me the numerical value. It's a numerical answer type question. So here 1 upon 15, guys. So 1 divided by 15, 0.067. So the final answer is 0.60, 0.067. Okay. So in this way they can ask the question. So this is a very important question. It's a rank deciding question. 1 by 15 is the correct answer for this question. Very good. Now similarly same type of question for the discrete time also. Again, see, for the given discrete and LTI system, find the output y of n for the given input. Also calculate ratio of energy of output signal to the energy of input signal. So input signal is given, h of n is given. So let us see the solution. Here x of n is given. You can write it in the sequence format. So this is first sample is -2. At origin it is 0. And at n equal to 1, 3, n equal to 1. H of n is given. So first of all we can find the output 1, 2, 3. Again output y of n is equal to convolution of input signal x of n and h of n, right? So how to find the convolution between two signal? So this table method you can use. Here you can write -2, 0, 3 and 1 x of n. Here you can write h of n 1, 2, 3. Now multiplication 1 into 2 -2, 0, this is 3, this is 1, this is -4, this is 0, this is 6 and this is 2, this is -6, this is 0, this is 9 and this is 3 guys. Got it? So here now diagonal you can add the elements for the y of n. Okay, add all the elements diagonally to get y of n. So you will get y of n which is equal to, this is -2, -4, this is -3, correct? This is 7, 11 and 3. Just check once. Now see here lower limit, this is at n equal to -1. Here lower limit n equal to 0 guys. Sum of the lower limit 0 and -1. So this sample will be at n equal to -1 and this sample will be at origin -4. Just check once guys. -2, -4, -3, 7, 11 and 3 guys. Now we can find the energy of output signal, square and summation. This is 4, this is 16, this is 9 and this is 49 plus 121 plus 9. So tell me energy of the output signal. Just calculate this and tell me energy of output signal. How much you are getting? Energy of the output signal, tell me. Now please check once. Audible now? Okay. Now audible? Am I audible properly? Okay. So here we are getting 14.86 guys. So first of all you have to find output y of n, then we can find the energy of y of n, we can find the energy of input signal and we can find the ratio at the last. Got it? I hope everyone got the solution for this question. Now see, x of t is equal to, this is given, find power up to 50th harmonic. Question from the Fourier series. Power up to 50th harmonic. So first of all, we have to find the harmonics number, guys. Then we can find power up to certain harmonic or power in particular harmonic. So here different frequencies are given. Here this is omega 1, this is omega 2, omega 3, guys. And Fourier series is defined. So of course this is a periodic signal. So very first step is find the fundamental frequency. Omega 0 is SCF of the individual frequency. Omega 1, this is 4, this is 5 by 7 omega 2, and this is 3 by 10. So first of all of you tell me the fundamental frequency. So SCF of the numerator, that is SCF of 4, 5, 3, and LCM of the denominator. Here denominator is 1, 7 and 10. So omega 0, this is 1, guys. SCF is 1 and this is 70. So 1 by 70 radian per second. Wherein then next step is find harmonics number. So you have to compare each and every frequency with the n omega 0. Compare each and every frequency with n omega 0. So first frequency omega 1 compare with the n omega 0 to get the value of n. So omega 1 is 4 and omega 0 we got 1 by 70. So here harmonics number is 280. So here we got, here n is equal to 280, guys. Got it? Second and third, guys, there are three frequencies, right? So second is omega 2 is equal to n into omega 0. Second frequency is 5 by 7 compare with n omega 0, n into 1 by 70. So here value of n is 50. Yes or no? N is 50, guys. Second. So here value of n is 50. 50th harmonic. Okay. And third part is compare third frequency with again n omega 0. So here this frequency is 3 by 10, which is equal to n into 1 by 70. So here value of n is 21. So here value of n for this n is equal to 21. Now power up to now here see they are asking power up to 50th harmonic. So power up to 50th harmonic, guys. Up to 50th harmonic. So up to 50th harmonic means you have to start from n equal to 0. N equal to 0 to up to n equal to 50, guys. So up to 50th harmonic, this will not come into picture. This will, we have to consider this and this, guys. Now frequencies are different. So total power is summation of the individual signal power. What is the power for this? So peak value square. Here power for this term, that is peak value square divided by 2 plus what is power for this? So peak value square divided by 2. Okay. They are asking power up to 50th harmonic. So this is 50 and this is 225, 112.5. So the final answer is 162.5 units. Understood, everyone? Everyone got this? So guys, here we are getting, this is 100 by 2, that is 50. This is 225 divided by 2, 112.5. So the final answer is 162.5 units, power up to 50th harmonic. Got it? So this is a question from the Fourier series. Now question from the Fourier transform. See this question. Y of t equal to sin 2t by pi t into cos 4t. Find y of omega and energy of the y of t, guys. Okay. So here, what is the Fourier transform of this, guys? So I yesterday in the Maha revision course, I told you guys here, either it will come low pass filter or band pass filter depending on the value of A and B. See, this is A, guys, A equal to 2, and here this is B, B equal to 4, and here B greater than 4, guys, B greater than 4. Okay, then here you will get band pass filter, guys, directly band pass filter y of omega, which is equal to like this. Band pass filter, Fourier transform. Okay. Now here this one guys. Here lower frequency guys. So 2 plus 4, this is 6, and difference of A and B. So this is 2. This is minus 2. This is minus 2, and this is minus 6 guys. Amplitude is k by 2. Here k is equal to 1 guys. Coefficient k equal to 1. So this is 1 by 2. Correct? 1 by 2. So this is the Fourier transform. Now energy guys. For energy you can use the Parseval's energy theorem. So energy of the signal is given by, according to the Parseval theorem, 1 upon 2 pi integration minus infinite to plus infinite mod y of omega whole square d omega. Right? Are you getting? So here energy 1 upon 2 pi. Now here you can use the shortcut. Both the rectangle have same width and same amplitude. So 2 times here peak value square, that is 1 by 2 square. Energy of rectangle function peak value square into width guys. Width is 4. 2 times. Why? Because there are 2 rectangle having same width and same amplitude. That's why. Don't forget 1 upon 2 pi. Don't forget 1 by 2 pi guys. So 2 times peak value square into width. So this is 1 upon 2 pi. This is 2 into 1 by 4, and this is 4 guys. 4 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled out. So finally energy of this signal is 1 upon pi. 1 by pi unit. Clear? 1 by pi guys. 1 upon pi is the correct answer here. 1 by pi units. Energy of this signal is 1 by pi units. So this is also very important question. This type of question they can ask in the upcoming GATE exam. Okay. Now next question. Y of t equal to 2 sin 4t by pi t. Convolution with sin 10t by pi t. Find y of t, y of omega, area of y of t, and energy of y of t guys. Y of omega, energy of actually y of t. Okay. So see the solution here. We know that directly we can say, we know that k1 into sin at by pi t convolution with k2 into sin bt upon pi. Now please check once. What is happening with the mic? Now please check once. Now audible? Okay. So here we are getting 16 by pi, guys. Very simple question. 16 by pi. Okay. Now 16 by pi is the correct answer. So this type of question also they can ask. They can ask the convolution between these two signals. They can ask the energy of y of t. They can ask the Fourier transform of y of omega, area of y of t. 4 questions. Even they can frame a MSQ type question also. Multiple select question. Got it? MSQ type question also. Okay. Now next question. Filter question, guys. So 2 sin 3 pi t plus 2 cos 8 pi t plus 3 sin pi t. H of t is given. They are asking y of t, guys. So by looking this, we can say this is the impulse response of an low pass filter. Okay, low pass filter, guys. This is nothing but low pass filter. Okay, as this is the low pass filter, H of omega. Okay, filter concept. So here this is the Fourier transform is minus 5 pi to plus 5 pi having amplitude 3. Now just observe the input frequencies. So input frequencies are omega I. This is 3 pi, then 8 pi and pi. So the frequencies, those who lies between 0 and 5 pi will pass through this low pass filter. So here 8 pi will be rejected, 3 pi will pass through low pass filter, 8 pi will be rejected by the low pass filter, and this pi will pass through the low pass filter. The frequencies or the terms, those who are passing through the low pass filter, you have to multiply 3. Gain corresponding to the frequency, gain corresponding to the pi is 3 and gain corresponding to 3 pi is also 3, guys. Okay, so you have to multiply 3 with the terms those who are passing through the low pass filter. So this is passing, this will be rejected by the low pass filter and this is also passing. So y of t equal to, you have to multiply 3. So 2 into 3, it is 6 sin 3 pi t, right? Plus you have to multiply 3 here. So 9 sin pi t. In this way, they can ask the question from the low pass filter, band pass filter, also modified low pass filter also. Got it? Understood everyone? Very nice. Very good. Okay. Now same the concept of low pass filter for the DTFT also. Discrete time Fourier transform. DTFT. Okay, same concept applicable from the for the DTFT. Again see, same thing, guys. Here this is the, by looking this, you will come to know that this is the impulse response of a low pass filter. Okay. Now see here. So what about the input frequencies? Input frequencies are pi by 8 and pi by 4, guys. And what about the cutoff frequency? So this one, cutoff frequency is pi by 6. So here, the frequencies those lies between 0 and pi by 6 will pass through this low pass filter. So pi by 8 will be passed through low pass filter and this will be rejected by low pass filter, pi by 4. And here gain is 2, guys. Here gain is 2. So output, what about the output? Output y of t is equal to, this will pass, this will be rejected by the low pass filter. So you have to multiply 2, guys. So this is 2 sin and pi by 8. 2 sin and pi by 8. Got it, guys? The concept of low pass filter for the discrete time signal. Discrete time sinusoidal input of an LTI system. Now here, question from the DFT, guys. Okay. Now DFT of a real value discrete time signal x of n is given and they are asking the value of ABC. See, here they have to mention that x of n is real value signal. If it is a real value signal, then we can use the property. See, here I am writing, if x of n is real, then we can use this property, x of k is equal to x conjugation of n minus k, where capital N is the endpoint DFT. Okay. So see here, how many point DFT, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 point DFT are there. And this is starting from k equal to 0. And this is last is at, of course, k equal to 7. Now they are asking the value of A, guys. So A is nothing but k equal to 0, k equal to 1, k equal to 2. So this is corresponding to the x of 2. You can use the property x conjugation of n minus k, that is 8 minus 2 guys, which is equal to x conjugation of 6 guys. So this is k equal to 7, this is k equal to 6, conjugation of this, that is 2 minus j4. In the similar way, b guys, b, that is x of, this is 7, 6 and 5, x of 5. So x conjugation of 8 minus 5. So x conjugation of 3, x conjugation of 3 guys. So k equal to 0, k equal to 1, k equal to 2, k equal to 3, conjugation of this, that is 3 plus j2, 3 plus j2 guys, correct? Yes, cascade of high pass filter, low pass filter is band pass filter. C, that is x of 7 guys, x of 7, that is x conjugation of 8 minus 7, 8 minus 7, that is x conjugation of 1 guys, x conjugation of what, at k equal to 1, this one, so 2 minus j3 guys. So from the DFT they can ask the question based on this property guys, remember this thing, based on this property, got it? Okay, very nice. Now next question from the DTFS, discrete time Fourier series. Okay, question from the DTFS, discrete time Fourier series expansion of the signal x of n will contain the harmonics. Okay, so you have to find the non-zero coefficients, non-zero harmonics guys. So again same procedure that we are using for the CTFS. Okay, so here 2cc formula you can use. So just we are focusing on the harmonic non-zero coefficients. So there will be two frequencies guys. Okay, 2cc formula you will use. So you will get one frequency f1 plus f2, that is 2.2 pi plus 3.3 pi. So omega 1 is equal to 5.5 pi, right? And one more frequency difference of these two, that is 1.1 pi. That is omega 1. Now we have to find the fundamental time period of x of n. First of all, fundamental time period of x of n guys, capital N. Okay, fundamental time period. So first of all, find the individual fundamental time period. So omega 1 divided by 2 pi. So here 55 pi divided by 10 into 1 upon 2 pi, correct? So this is nothing but, here this is 11 divided by 11 5s are 55 and 2 pi get cancelled, 11 by 4 guys. And for here omega 2 divided by 2 pi, that is 11 pi divided by 2 pi, and this is 1 by 10 guys. So here it is 11 by 20. Now here what about the fundamental time period n1? So n1 equal to 4. Here the fundamental time period n2 equal to 20. So for the x of n guys, for the x of n, what is the fundamental time period? That is LCM of n1 and n2 guys, n1 and n2. So LCM of 4 and 20. So coefficient Ck is periodic, that is Ck is equal to Ck plus or minus P into capital N. Okay, periodic, that's why here Ck is periodic. See, here Ck is periodic guys. Buffering. Here see Ck is periodic. Ck is periodic guys. Ck is periodic, that's why you can use this property. So you have to add where P is integer value guys, where capital N is the fundamental time period and P starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, periodic, that's why guys. Okay, so here you have to add and subtract guys. You can add and subtract fundamental time period 20 guys. So this is equal to what? If you add 20, then you will get C75, then again C95 and so on. Okay, here you can add 20 guys, you can add 20. So C minus 35, then C minus 15, then C5 and so on. correct? Here you can add 20. If you add 20, then C31, then C51, and so on, guys. You can add 20 here, so C9, again you can add 20, C29, and so on. Are you getting? So non-zero coefficient, guys. So we are getting C5, C55, even C15 also. So which option should be right answer here? Which option should be correct answer? So you can see option C, guys. 5, yes, we have 5. We have 5, guys. Then 9, yes, we have 9 also, non-zero coefficient. Then 11, yes, we have 11 also, this one. And 15 also, guys. Correct? 15 also. See, if you are getting C minus 15, then you will get C 15 plus 15 also. So here option C is the correct answer for this question. So this is also a very good question, guys. Got it? Now here, a signal x of n is depicted in the figure below. X of n is given. The discrete time Fourier series coefficient, that is CK, they are asking, guys. This is a very good question. CK, coefficient CK. Would you like to try to solve this question? Coefficient CK, guys. So what is the formula to find CK? 1 by n summation x of n, where n is from 0 to n minus 1, because this is periodic, into e to the power minus j k omega 0 into n. This formula you can use. Would you like to try to solve this question? If yes, then tell me. Solve it and tell me the correct answer. Solve it and tell me the right answer for this question. Solve me the right answer for this question. Tell me. Which option should be correct answer for this? B option. Option B. Okay. So let us start with the. Now see, first of all, find the fundamental time period. So 0 to 9, guys. How many samples are there? N. N equal to 10, guys. What about the fundamental frequency? So here, first of all, find the fundamental time period omega n equal to 10, and fundamental frequency omega 0 is equal to 2 pi by capital N. That is, here you will get pi by 5. Okay. Because in this formula we need x of n and we need omega 0 also. So Ck is equal to 1 by 10 summation n is from 0. Now see, from n equal to 5 to 9, sample value is 0. So if you put the value of x of n here, x of n is 1, guys. Then it is 1 for from 0 to 4, guys. So n equal to 0 to 4, right? Into e to the power minus j k into 2 power k into e power minus j k into omega 0. Omega 0 is pi by 5. And I am writing like this into n, guys. So I can write like this into n. Power n. E power minus j k pi by 5 power n. Now you can use this formula. Summation. We know very well r power k, where k is starting from lower limit m, upper limit n. So this is r power upper limit plus 1 minus r power lower limit divided by r minus 1. So what about the value of Ck? So here Ck is equal to 1 by 10. Here lower limit is 0, upper limit is 4. So e to the power minus j k into pi by 5 power n plus 1, that is lower limit plus 1, 4 plus 1 minus e to the power minus j k into pi by 5 power 0 divided by r minus 1, that is e to the power minus j k into pi by 5 minus 1 guys. Okay, so just simplify this. So ck is equal to 1 by 10, this is e power 0. So here this is 1 minus e to the power minus j, 5 get cancel out, so k into pi, yes or no, 5 get cancel out, this is 5, this is 5, divided by again this is 1 minus e to the power minus j k into pi by 5. Now we want to convert into sign guys. See, numerator denominator we want to convert this into sign. So for that you have to take average value common. So e power minus j k pi, so take e power minus j k pi by 2 common. So 1 by 10, this is e to the power minus j k into pi by 2, and here also guys average value is e to the power minus j k pi by 10 guys. Average of power I am taking common from this. So here this is e to the power j k pi by 2, correct, here instead of 1, and this is minus e to the power minus j k pi by 2, simple maths. Here also e to the power j k into pi by 10 minus e to the power minus j k into pi by 10. Okay, now simplify further. So ck is equal to 1 by 10 here in the numerator. So e power here, e power minus jk, so e power minus jk is common, even pi also common. So this is 1 by 2, and numerator it is minus 1 by 10 guys. So it is 4 by 10, 5 minus 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 10. So 5 minus 1, it is e to the power minus jk pi. 4 by 10, so it is e to the power minus j 2k pi by 5, right? Simplifying these two terms guys, simplifying these two terms. So it is e to the power minus j k 2 pi by 5, and this will convert into e power j theta minus e power minus j theta. So here sine k pi by 2, here also multiply by 2j divided by 2j e power j theta. So sine k pi by 10. Now please check once which option is the right answer. So option B guys, but here k is missing. Option B, here k is missing, correct? So here option B guys. So this type of question we can expect in the GATE exam, correct? I will take this type of session today in Hindi channel also, main GATE Wallah ECE electrical channel at 7 p.m. today, 7 p.m. and we'll solve completely different question than these questions, right? अलग ही क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे, डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे, दोनों चैनल पे अलग अलग क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे. Okay, understood everyone? So option B is the correct answer here. Now here question from the DTFS, question based on the property. The DTFS coefficient of the signal x of n are shown in the figure below. Okay, ck is given, the value of x of 0. So again you can use the property here. Property, see, x of n DTFS summation ck into e to the power j k omega 0 n, where k is starting from 0 to n minus 1. They are asking value at n equal to 0. So put n equal to 0. Simply summation of all the coefficient for one cycle, for one period. N equal to 0, e power 0, 1. So summation of all the samples for one period. So in one period, how many samples are there? This one, and this one guys, for one cycle. From minus 3 to plus 3 guys, 7. So here 2 plus minus 1 plus 2 guys. So here it is 3 guys. numerical answer type question based on the property. So 3 is the correct answer for this question. Got it? Okay. Now property based question, guys. The average power of the x of n in terms of Fourier series coefficient ck. Tell me which option should be right answer. Simple question but important. Which option should be the right answer for this question? Which option should be correct answer? Tell me. Which option should be correct answer? Anyone? So Parseval's power theorem, coefficient of x of n is ck. So power of the signal x of n is given by 1 by capital N summation over the fundamental ampere mod x of n square, where n is from 0 to n minus 1. We can find power from the coefficient also, simply magnitude square and summation, but for the one cycle. So k is from 0 to n minus 1. Okay. So which option should be correct answer? Option D, guys. We can say average power, option D. Option D is the correct answer for this question. Option D. Yes or no? So here option D is the right answer for this question. The 4-point DFT of real value signal is 5A and 3 minus 5J, then 3 plus 9J, then the value of summation n equals 0 to 3 mod x of n square. So property again, property summation mod x of n whole square, where n is from 0 to 3, guys. So what is the property? So this is 1 by n mod x of k square, where k is from 0 to 3, guys. Correct? And 1 by capital N. So n equal to 4-point DFT. But first of all, you have to find the value of A. Just I told you, guys, x of n is a real value signal. Correct? So what is A, guys? A is nothing but value at x of 1, guys. So x conjugation of n minus k, 4 minus 1, that is x conjugation of 3. So this is at 3, guys. So 3 minus 9j. 3 minus 9j, right? So simply you have to find the magnitude, then square and summation. Okay. So x of 0. So magnitude is 5, square is 5, 25. Now A is equal to this one. So magnitude under root of 3 square plus 9 square, then square. Square root square cancel out. So 9 plus 81, guys. 3 square plus 9 square, that is 90. Then here 3 minus j5. So 3 square plus 5 square, under root and square. Square root square cancel out. So 9 plus 25. So it's a 34 plus, guys, plus 90 plus 34, guys. And again 3 plus 9, again 90, guys. 90. So tell me the final answer. Tell me the final answer. Anyone? 59.75. Sure? +25 plus 90 plus 34 plus 90 divided by 4 divided by 4, 59.75. Yes. So here 59.75 is the correct answer for this question. 59.75. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now here, see this question. This is also a very good question, guys. A signal x of n is A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, B. If 10-point DFT of signal has the x of 0, 30 and x of 5 is equal to 3, then the value of A plus B is dash. So property, guys, x of 0. X of 0, guys, this is nothing but what property? Summation of all the samples. Summation of all the samples, very simple. Where n is from 0 to 9, guys, 10-point DFT. So summation of all the samples which is given, guys, this is 30. So here this is A plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus b. Okay, so from here you can find the value of a plus b, guys. So a plus b, from here you can find value of a plus b. Tell me the value of a plus b here. Tell me the value of a plus b. What is the value of a plus b? What is the value of a plus b? Can you tell me the value of a plus b? 44 minus 44. So 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, then 20, 35 and 9. 35 plus 9, 44. So 30 minus 44. So minus 24, I think. Minus 14, sorry. Minus 14. Minus 14, guys. So a plus b is minus 14. But suppose they're asking value of a and b, guys. Then second thing is given x of 5, guys. That is half point DFT, guys. See, x of 5, half point DFT. That is alternate sum and subtraction, guys. This is n by 2, guys. Half point DFT, alternate sum and subtraction. Okay, where here n is from 0 to 9. 0 to 9. So alternate sum and subtraction, that is a minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus 7 minus 8 plus 9 minus b, guys, and this is given. This is equal to 3, guys. So from here you will get a minus b. So from this, tell me value of a minus b. Are you getting? This is half point DFT, guys. Half point DFT means alternate sum and subtraction. That is a minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus 7 minus 8 plus 9 minus b. So tell me value of a minus b here. Tell me the value of a minus b. What is the value of a minus b? Tell me the value of a minus b. Anyone? Minus 1. So here we got a minus b. Now we got a minus b, a plus b. So we'll get the value of a and b. So if we add these two, guys, then 2a is equal to what? Minus 15. So a is equal to what? Minus 15 by 2. And tell me the value of b, guys. Value of b. So here we got a is equal to minus 7.5. So a, here you put minus 7.5. So b is equal to what? B here 8.5, guys. 8.5. No. If you put minus 7.5, then b is equal to minus 6.5. Minus 6.5. Got it? Understood, everyone? Please check once. Value of a and b. If this is minus 1, then if you add both, then it is minus 15 by 2. 2 equal to minus 15, minus 15 by 2, minus 7.5. If you put minus 7.5 here, then minus 7.5 plus 1. So minus 6.5. Correct? Got it? Very good. Okay. Now see some important questions. If the Fourier transform of e power minus pi t square is e power minus pi f square, then the Fourier transform of e power minus t square is not equal to e power minus f square. Reason: time scaling a signal result in the appropriate frequency scaling as well as magnitude scaling. So tell me, assertion reason type question, which option should be right answer? Assertion and reason type question, which option should be correct answer for this? Which option should be right answer? Which option should be right answer? अब देखो, see here, e power minus pi t square, e power minus square, this is true guys, Gaussian function. But if you remove pi, that means time scaling guys. T become t by root pi guys. Here you are replacing t with root pi. But because of the time scaling, not only change in the frequency domain, but not only change in the frequency, but change in the magnitude also guys. Change in the magnitude. So you cannot say the Fourier transform of e power minus t square equal minus f square logically. So this is correct statement actually. Is not. So this statement is correct. First statement is correct. And reason, time scaling a signal result in the appropriate frequency scaling as well as magnitude scaling. Yes, this is the actual reason. Okay, this is the correct explanation of the assertion. Because of time scaling, just not change in the frequency, but not time frequency scaling, but change in the magnitude also. So here both the statement A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. So here option A is the correct answer. Option A guys, not B. Here option A. Option A is the correct answer for this question guys. Now see MSQ type question. MSQ type question. A signal x of t is shown in the figure below. MSQ guys, multiple select question, MSQ type question. Mathematical expression of the signal x of t is R. They are asking the mathematical expression. Okay. So first of all, we can represent it mathematically guys. So here sudden change in amplitude 0 to 2 guys. Sudden change in amplitude from 0 to 2. Okay. Then here this is linear change also, and here linear change. So at origin sudden change. At origin sudden change as well as linear change guys. So at origin ramp as well as step will come into picture. Here only linear change, so ramp will come into picture. Now just find the value of slope. Here slope is 0. Here slope dy by dx. So slope is minus 1 by 2. Here slope is 0 guys. So first answer guys, x of t is equal to, here u of t, r of t at origin, and this is r of t minus 4 guys, t minus 4. Now change in amplitude 0 to 2, this is 2 guys. Now here change in slope, next slope minus previous slope, minus 1 by 2. Here change in slope, next slope minus previous slope, that is plus 1 by 2. This is the first answer that is possible. So 2 of t minus 1 by 2 r of t plus 1 by 2 r of t minus 4, option A is correct. But it's a MSQ type question guys. So multiple options can be correct. Multiple options can be correct guys. Okay. Now see, we have written all right sided guys. All right sided, this is right sided, this is right sided, this is right sided. And we can write left sided also guys. Left sided. For the left sided, yesterday I told you, for step function, change sign outside the change sign of the variable outside the bracket, inside the bracket. So this is plus 2, then here minus 2, u of plus t become minus t. For ramp, change sign only for the variable inside the bracket, So this is minus 1 by 2, r of minus t. And here only inside the bracket, plus 1 by 2, r of minus t. T become minus t, minus 4 become plus 4 guys. So this is representation in all left-sided signal, left-sided, left-sided, left-sided. So first step, change opposite sign outside the bracket, inside the bracket. For ramp, only opposite sign of the inside the bracket. So 1 by 2, r of minus t plus 4, minus 1 by 2 r of minus t, minus 2 of minus t. So option B also correct here. Option B you can see. As option B correct guys. So we see option C is wrong. Because this is minus 1 by 2. But here we are getting plus 1 by 2. Option C is wrong. Now option D guys. So here this is the equation of line guys. Equation of line. So we know that x by A plus y by B which is equal to 1. So on the x-axis it is t guys, and intersection with the x-axis is 4. Intersection of x-axis is 4 guys. On the y-axis we are writing the signal x of t, and intersection is 2 guys, which is equal to 1. So from here x of t is equal to this opposite side 2 times 1 minus t by 4. But this is between 0 and 4 only guys. So as this is between 0 and 4, so you can write u of t minus 4 guys. This is between this line is between 0 and 4. So window function between 0 and 4. So u of 0 minus u of t minus u of t minus 4 also. So this is, open the bracket. If you open the bracket here, and this is minus t by 2 plus 2, okay, into u of t minus u of t minus 4. Okay. Now check the last option. Minus t by 2 plus 2. Yes, option D also true. So here option A, B and D all are true, correct. Are you getting? So this type of question we can ask in the upcoming GATE exam for the MSQ type question. Okay, MSQ type question. Understood everyone? Okay. Now see this one, everyone. This is also very important question. See here. A signal x of t is equal to 4 e power minus pi t square by 4, Gaussian function, is convolved with another Gaussian function. Okay. If the resultant signal is y of t, okay, the energy of the signal y of t is dash, rounded up to the 2 decimal places. So convolution between two Gaussian function, guys. Convolution between two Gaussian function, y of t equal to x of t convolution with h of t, guys. Yesterday I told you the formula. Here y of t is equal to 4 e to the power minus pi t square by 4 convolution with 2 e to the power minus pi t square by 3. Okay. Now already I told you guys, y of t is equal to convolution k1 into k2, 4 into 2, guys. Now under root of pi upon a plus b, guys. Pi upon a plus b, a equal to pi by 4, b equal to pi by 3. So pi by 4 plus pi by 3, guys, into e to the power minus a into b upon a plus b. So a into b, guys. So pi by 4 into pi by 3 divided by pi by 4 plus pi by 3 t square. Okay. Now just to simplify this one, are you getting? See, k1 into k2 under root of pi upon a plus b into e power a into b divided by a plus b into t square. So this is 8 under root of, this is 12 divided by 7, pi got cancel out. So 12 divided by 7 into e to the power, here pi got cancel out, so e power minus pi, and you can take 1 pi common, so pi get cancel out. So this is 1 by 12, 12 get cancel out, so 1 by 7, correct. So that is into t square by 7. So pi by 7 into t square, yes or no? Please check once. Pi cancel out, this is 1 by 12, this is 7 by 12, pi got cancel out, so e to the power minus pi t square by 7, yes or no? Correct. Now we can find the energy, guys. We know the energy of k into e power minus at square. What is the energy, guys? So amplitude scaling k square, and energy of this Gaussian function root pi upon 2a, guys. Root pi by 2 energy. E power minus at square root pi by 2a is the energy. So compare, guys. So if you compare, then energy of this signal, peak value k square, that is 64. This is 12 by 7 square of this into under root of pi upon 2a. If you compare, a equal to pi by 7. So 2 into pi by 7. So just to simplify this and tell me the right answer. 64 into 12 divided by 7 into, this is under root of pi get cancel out, 7 by 2. So tell me the numerical value, everyone. This is also a very important question. Tell me the final answer, everyone. Final answer. So calculate this one and tell me the correct answer. First of all, calculate this under root of 7 by 2, guys. Okay, into 64 into 12 divided by 7, 205.26. So 205.26 units. Understood? अच्छा क्वेश्चन था ये, इट वॉज अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन गाइस। हाँ पक्का, डेफिनेटली इफ यू कैन सॉल्व दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन नाउ, then definitely you can solve all the questions for the GATE 2026 also. Okay, question of the upcoming paper. Okay, don't worry. These are the extraordinary questions exclusively designed for you people. Now same as previous one guys, see, same as previous one, Gaussian function, convolution of two Gaussian function. Now they are asking value of y of t at t equal to 1. Now try this one everyone. So y of t is convolution of these two Gaussian function, 2e to the power minus 3t square convolution with 3 power minus 6t square. Okay, so y of t is equal to 2 into 3 guys, 2 into 3 into under root of pi upon a plus b, pi upon a plus b, 3 plus 6 into e to the power minus a into b guys, that is 3 into 6 divided by 3 plus 6 t square. Okay, now they are asking at t equal to 1, so y of 1, this is 6 into under root of pi by 9 e to the power, this is 18 divided by, that is minus 2, and t equal to 1 guys. So just calculate this one and tell me the right answer. y of 1 guys, so e to the power minus 2 into under root of pi by 9 into 6, 0.48. I am getting 0.48, please check once. I am getting 0.48, yes, 0.479, that is 0.48, very good, understood. So they can ask the question from Gaussian function from this topic like this. Okay, this type of question we can expect in upcoming GATE exam. Got it? Which of the following relationship is are true, is are correct, guys? Okay, so here MSQ type question, u of minus 2t minus 1. So unit step function can eat the scaling factor. You can take 2 common. Audible guys, please check once. So here yes, C and D both are the correct. Here C and D both are the correct relationship. So here C and D both are the correct relationship. Got it? Understood everyone? Is this clear? Now see, x of n can be represented mathematically as, so this is also MSQ type question. Okay. So minus 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. See, this is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is minus 2, 5, 6, 7, minus 3. Okay. So you can represent in right sided, both right sided. So both right sided, first this one, then second this one, guys. So first option, x of n is equal to right sided. So 3 bracket u of n plus 1 minus u of n minus 5, guys, for both right sided. Both left sided, for both left sided, first this one and then second this one, guys. So here x of n is equal to 3 bracket, this is left sided, first this one u of minus n plus 4 minus second this one minus u of minus n minus 2, guys, left sided, correct. And third, this is right sided and this one is left sided, this is right sided and this is left sided multiplication. So x of n is equal to 3 into, this is right sided, so u of n plus 1, this is left sided, u of minus n plus 4, u of minus n plus 4. Now how many options are correct? So first is wrong, second is correct, third is also correct, 3 of minus n plus 4 into u of n plus 1, D also correct. So B, C and D all are the correct options for this question. B, C and D, guys. Got it? Now same thing for the continuous time also. 3 answers can be possible here. Three answers can be possible here. Okay. Again, first both right sided. Already I told you this one. So 4 u of t plus 2 minus 4 u of t minus 1. For left sided, change sign outside inside bracket. So minus 4 u of minus t minus 2 plus 4 u of minus t plus 1. And third is, this is right sided, this is left sided. So 4 u of t plus 2 multiplication, and this is left sided, u of minus t plus 1. Now check how many options are correct here. How many options are correct? ABC. So first is correct, yes. Second is correct, yes, this is also true. Third is correct, for u of t plus 2 into u of minus t plus 1. Yes, this is also true, guys. So here option A, B, C are the correct options for this question. MSQ type question. This is also MSQ question, guys. Multiple select question. Got it? I think we have solved more than 20 questions. Same as previous one, guys. So you can solve this question in homework. Same as previous one. Do it yourself. Correct? Same as previous one. Tell me, how many options are correct? Anyone got a correct answer? How many options are correct? Here, ABC again. How many options are true? Only option C. Only option C is correct. Only option C. Sure? Minus 4 u of t plus 2 into u of minus t plus 4. Minus 4 u of t minus 1 u of t plus 2. See, x of t minus 4 u of t plus 2 plus 4 u of t minus 1. First option. Okay. So first is also true, guys. Option A is true. Left sided, both left sided. So this is 4 u of minus t minus 2. This is minus 4 u of minus t minus 1. So second option also this is wrong, because here this is -1, that's why. Sorry, this is +1 guys. This should be +1, minus t +1. So second option also true guys. Option B also true. This is right sided, this is left sided. Option C also true. And option D is wrong. Option D is wrong guys. So A, B, C all are the correct. A, B, C all are the correct. Correct? A, B, C all are the correct options for this question guys. Now question based on the doublet function, property of the doublet function guys. Property of the doublet function. Solve this integral guys. So I integration minus infinite to plus infinite 2e to the power minus t square into here 1 by 2 into mod 2 property del dash t plus 1 by 2 dt. Now here t naught is equal to, what is the value of t naught? T naught is equal to minus 1 by 2. So here integral, this 2 get cancelled out, so 1 by 2. Now property minus d by dt differentiation of x of t. This is the x of t guys. 2 get cancelled out, minus differentiation of this one e to the power minus t square, and put here t is equal to, t naught is equal to minus 1 by 2. So here this is 1 by 2, okay, bracket differentiation minus, what is differentiation? Minus 2t into e to the power minus t square, and put t naught is equal to, t is equal to minus 1 by 2 guys. So this is minus sign, this is minus sign, plus sign, minus minus get cancelled out, but 2 get cancelled out. But here t naught equal to 1 by 2 guys. So I is equal to minus 1 by 2 into here e to the power minus 4 guys. Yes or no? So what is the answer? What is the answer guys? Minus 1 by 2. E to the power minus 4 into 0.5, 0.009 minus 0.389. Wait, let me check once then. So 2 into e power minus t square. So 1 by 2 mod 2 get cancel, 1 by 2 minus d by dt of e power minus t square. So this is e power minus 1 by 4. 2 get cancel out. Minus 2 cancel out. T equal to minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 e power minus 4. So here e to the power minus 4 into 0.5. I think something is missing then. 1 by alpha into mod alpha minus 0.389 you are getting, but I am getting different answer. Property is 1 by 2 into mod 2, 2 get cancel out, 2 get cancel out. So 1 by 2, now differentiation, so e power minus t square, and differentiation is minus 2t, so minus 2t e power minus t square, 2 get cancel out, minus minus plus, so t equal to minus 1 by 2 guys. So this is minus 1 by 2 and this is e power 1 by, okay, this is e power 1 by 4 guys, e to the power minus 1 by 4, e to the power minus 1 by 4, yes. So here e to the power minus 0.25 divided by 2 minus 0.39, yes, minus 0.39 guys, minus 0.39. Got it? Yes. So minus 0.39. Very good. Minus 0.39 is the correct answer. Okay, minus 0.39. Now see, this is also rank deciding question. Match list 1 with list 2, guys. Mathematical expression is given. So minus infinity to t, guys. So this is right sided step function. So right sided step function, opposite sign, t plus 2 minus 4, guys. So this is u of t minus 2. U of t minus 2. So starting from 2, going towards right side. Sorry, here this is same sign. Right sided signal, just yesterday told you. Same sign, guys. So u of t plus 2. Starting from minus 2, going towards right side. So here this is q, guys. Now here t to infinite, left sided step function. U of minus t. Same sign. Minus 3. For left side opposite sign, minus 3 plus 7, guys. So u of minus t plus 4. Starting from 4, going towards left side. So p, guys. Here p. QP. QP option B, guys. QP option B. Now here this is right sided step function. U of t plus 1 minus 6 u of t minus 5. Starting from 5, going towards right side. So this is S. And this is left sided step function. U of minus the opposite sign, minus 2. So this is plus 2 plus 5. This is minus 5. U of minus t minus 3. Left sided step function starting from minus t. So here this is R, guys. So QPSR option B, guys. Option B, very good. Option B, guys. Okay. Yes. So today we have seen more than super 20 questions. I think more than 20 questions we have solved in this class, and all the questions are very important for the upcoming GATE exam. Okay, we have solved any type question also, MCQ type question also, and MSQ type question also, guys. All the varieties I have covered. Okay. Now, if you want more practice question, then you can attend today's live class on the main channel at 7 p.m. guys. Okay, more 27 questions we will solve. All the different questions other than these, guys. Okay. So all of you, thank you so much watching me live on GATE Wallah. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.